Finally, Xiaomi launched the Xiaomi 14 series, the Xiaomi 14 and Xiaomi 14 Pro. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 6.7-inch 1B color LTPO Super AMOLED display 2K resolution and the peak brightness is 3000 nits. And on the other hand, the Xiaomi 14 is come with 6.36-inch 86B color with 120Hz depth vision HDR10 Plus display with 3000 nits peak brightness. And the phone also comes with the stereo speaker and IP68 rating. Phone running Android 14 with HyperOS, and this is the first smartphone which comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The phone comes with 12 and 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB storage with UFS 4.0. Xiaomi 14 and Xiaomi 14 Pro both phones come with the same camera setup is 50MP main sensor, 50MP telephoto lens and 50MP ultra-wide. Front is come with 32MP selfie camera. The phone powered by 4880 mAh battery and is support 120W fast charging and 50W wireless charging. And the Xiaomi 14 powered by 4610 mAh battery and is support 90W fast charging and 50W wireless charging. So that's pretty much for our video. If you found this video informative, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.